Did you know a factory manager risked everything to save 50,000 people from cancer? Quinn Martinez had worked quality control at Riverside Textiles for 12 years. He trusted the company until one Tuesday morning when he noticed something wrong. Bright purple dye was flowing directly from the factory drain into the ground. Not into treatment systems, straight into the soil where his kids played. He tested the water secretly. The results were terrifying. Toxic chemicals at levels 100 times the legal limit. Cancer rates in his neighborhood had doubled in 5 years. Quinn gathered evidence for months, knowing he'd lose his job. When he called the EPA, factory security threatened his family. Fellow workers called him a traitor who'd destroy their livelihoods. He was fired within a week and blacklisted from every textile company. But his evidence stopped a disaster that would have poisoned the entire county. Today, Quinn leads the State Environmental Protection Office, and his town calls him a hero.